the Houston builder who will work with me and do whatever it takes to get my clients into a brand new home. I've been told by a sales counselor who represents this builder, just tell me what your clients need and I'll get it done. Hey, my name is Caitlyn. I'm a realtor here in the Houston area, and I'm here to educate you, advocate for you, and help you build wealth through real estate. This is the kind of builder that you want to work with in 2024, with affordability being a concern for many, with interest rates being over 6%. You want to work with builders who are willing to work with you and do what it takes to make the deal work. And so this builder that I'm talking about is Westin Homes. Westin Homes is a very popular builder in the Houston area. They are known for their spiral staircase and their rotunda ceilings, and a lot of people love their floor plans. They are beautiful floor plans, and I can see why they are a popular builder here in the Houston area. But Westin is not one of my builder partners because of their spiral staircase, or because of their rotunda ceilings, or because of their high ceilings or their open floor plans. Westin is one of my preferred builders because Westin is a builder who is willing to work with me to do whatever it takes to get my clients into a brand new home. And I absolutely love that about this builder. So as like when I say they're open to work with me, I'm talking about negotiating price, giving my clients great incentives, even being more than happy or more than willing to work with my clients, even if they're using an outside lender. And you may not know this because you're not a realtor, but what you'll find is that there are a lot of builders who are very resistant when it comes to giving you incentives and really working with you when you're using an outside lender. There are a lot of builders who want you to use their in-house lender or to use their preferred lender, but Westin is not one of those builders. So Westin Homes, they qualify for my VIP buyer programs. That is the 1% down or the zero money down, and it just depends. The zero money down is only available in certain areas and certain communities, but the 1% down is available across the Houston area in any community with any builder. And one thing I love about Westin Homes is that they do not try to give you a hard time when your client is using an outside lender, and that is absolutely amazing, because my whole goal is to provide solutions to my clients and to get you to the closing table with reduced out-of-pocket cash to close, but to also make sure that you have a monthly payment that you can live with. And so a lot of builders are offering great incentives right now to home buyers. And so the best thing that you can do is use those incentives to buy down your interest rate so that you have a smaller monthly payment, so that you have a more ideal monthly payment. So when I am working with Westin Homes and representing my clients, we still get those great incentives, and I even push for more incentives for my clients to make sure they can buy that rate down and get a really good monthly payment, but then also using an outside lender so that they can take advantage of my zero money down or my 1% down program. So you can either have 1% down payment, which is absolutely amazing. In resale, there's something called earnest money deposit. That's something that you need to secure the price of the home. In resale, earnest money deposit is typically 1% of the price of the home. So the fact that you can buy your home with only 1% down, that's like paying an earnest money deposit. So being able to have that 1% down payment plus the builder incentives to buy down your rate, and even pushing further to get other deals or get other incentives for my clients to make the deal work. So I am super excited to be partnering with Westin Homes yet again, another calendar year. Westin has homes in several communities across the Houston area, homes ranging from the 400s to the 700s plus. The price will depend on what product line Westin is selling in that community. So what I mean when I say product line, it could be a 60-foot product. It could be a 50-foot product. It could be, when I say 40-foot or 60-foot or 50-foot product, a 40-foot product means the homes are built on 40-foot lots. So those are going to be smaller floor plans. 50-foot means the homes are built on 50-foot lots. So those are going to be bigger than the 40-foot. 60-foot means the homes are built on 60-foot lots. So those are bigger floor plans. So if it's 40, 50, and 60-foot products that the builder is selling, the price is going to go up each product line, you know, that you go to. So 40-foot is going to be the most affordable. 50 is going to be in that medium price range. 60 is going to be the most expensive. So Westin has homes that range from the 400,000 range to 600,000 plus, depending on what product line they're selling in the community. Now, monthly payments for Westin Homes are going to be in that 4,000, 5,000 price range. So in the 4,000s or in the 5,000s price range, depending on the price of the home. So I'm really excited to be partnering with Westin Homes. If you have always dreamed of purchasing a Westin home, please reach out to me. Because that is a builder who is willing to work with me to do whatever it takes to get you into a home. So reach out to me if you're interested in buying a Westin home this year. Definitely take advantage of my VIP buyer programs and take advantage of the builder incentives so that you can buy down your interest rate and get a more ideal monthly payment. Again, my name is Caitlyn. I'm a realtor here in the Houston area, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.